How to close Milestone Credit Card. Let's get started. Before closing your account, ensure that the balance is paid off in full. This includes any pending charges or interest that may be occurring. If your Milestone Credit Card has any rewards or points, redeem them before closing the account, as you may lose them once the account is closed. Call Milestone customer service at the number provided on the back of your card, or also you can head towards the website of Milestone. You will be able to find the number. Call on that number. Inform the representative that you wish to close your account. Be prepared to provide your account details and personal information for verification. Ask for a confirmation that your account will be closed. Request a written confirmation for your records, either via email or email. After a few weeks, check your credit report to ensure that the account has been marked as closed. This can help you verify that the closure was processed correctly and prevent any future issues. Once the account is confirmed closed, destroy the physical credit card by cutting it up. This helps prevent any potential misuse of the card. Keep an eye on your final statement and any subsequent statements to ensure there are no unexpected charges or fees. If you had any automatic payments set up with your Milestone credit card, update those payment methods to ensure there are no disruptions in your services. By following these steps, you can close your Milestone credit card account smoothly and avoid any potential issues. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.